Customizing Monday.com column types is a great way to enhance your workflow and make your boards more efficient. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to customize. First, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your board to add a new column. This will open a drop-down menu with various column types to choose from. Monday.com offers a range of column types, including text, number, date, and more. Choose the column type that best suits your needs, and click on it to add it to your board. For example, if you want to track deadlines, you can add a date column. If you want to assign tasks to team members, you can add a person column. Once you have added a new column, you can customize its settings by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of the column. This will open a menu with various options, such as renaming the column, setting a default value, and adding a description. You can also use formulas to automate calculations and enhance your workflow. For instance, you can use a formula to calculate the number of days left until a deadline or to assign a priority level based on a specific condition. To take your customization to the next level, you can use conditional formatting to highlight important information and make your board more visual. For example, you can use conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks or to indicate when a task is completed. Best practices for customizing Monday.com column types include keeping your columns concise and relevant, using clear and descriptive names, and avoiding unnecessary columns. By following these best practices and exploring the various column types and customization options, you can create a tailored workflow that meets your specific needs and enhances your productivity. In conclusion, customizing Monday.com column types is a powerful way to optimize your workflow and make the most out of your boards. With a range of column types and customization options, you can create a tailored solution that streamlines your work and boosts your efficiency.